The pools are a lifeline for the thirsty herds, but wild dogs are hot on their heels. The alpha male and female rally the pack into hunting formation. Their puppies safely kept at a distance. They charge the herd to flush out any weaklings. A newborn calf, slowed by the thick mud, fits the bill. The puppies join the meal. The small kill is not enough to go round. To the pack's surprise, the calf's mother refuses to leave. Her maternal instincts put her in the crosshairs of the ravenous pack. Wild dogs may be some of Africa's most effective hunters, but an adult wildebeest is a tall order. Those sharp horns mean business. They mob her, nipping at her back and sides. An inexperienced pack member slips and gets gored. Thanks to the soft swampland, the dog escapes serious injury. The pups, only about 6 months old, watch and learn from a safe distance. In true wild dog fashion, family comes first.